Alright, so in this video what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically subtract this triangular puzzle piece portion from the grid. So there's a couple things I need to do first. I'm going to go to transform and duplicate this object. So now there should be two. I'm just going to make it invisible. One thing that I need to do is make this one a little bit larger, just so I can be sure that it's going to cut through the grid. Okay, now I'm going to select these two, Boolean difference. Looks good to me. We'll see how it looks when it's done. Alright, and as you can see, this cut out this object real nicely. But what's unfortunate is right here there's some malformation with the new mesh, so I'm going to have to edit undo and remesh that. Alright, so we are remeshing everything. This looks good to me. What I'm going to do is turn this guy back on. I'm going to move him a smudge. Just 0.5. Alright. Ooh. Alright. And now I'm going to do this to this side.